Hi, this is Steve Brandt, coming to you from the Route 66 Spirit of America Museum in Stroud, Oklahoma. It's January 5th, and this is the birthday of George Reeves, who played Clark Kent and Superman in the Adventures of Superman TV series in the 1950s. I'm recording this on his birthday because he was my first hero. And I want you all to think about the heroes we have or could have if we were consuming information that helped us have hope. The Route 66 Spirit of America Museum's mission is to help heal the spirit of America. That is a spirit that is currently receiving so much negative information that being a healthy, unified, constructive spirit is just hugely challenging, nearly impossible. But I have some experience I want to share. The museum is set up to help people think about the future from a standpoint of information that is not in the news every day. And in this new year of 2025, the museum is going to kick off programs, monthly programs, both in person here in Stroud and online. There's going to be a newsletter on Substack, but it will start with each writing on the museum's website. And there will be a book. 2025 is the year I am committed to writing a book that, again, is designed to give people hope by sharing the information that I have come across over my many years of fighting against negativity to remain positive myself, a process which I believe can help others because it's a proactive lifestyle. You don't just receive what comes at you, you choose what information is going to come into your space, into your intellect. Again, there is tremendous negativity these days, but if you know where to look, positive information is out there. Heroes are out there, both fictional, if you know what movies to watch, and real, if you know what people and the work that they are doing to track. Amazing people who have figured out how we could have all the resources we need to live comfortably, not just be as a split us versus them world, but as a we are all in it together world. If you can imagine a world of cooperation instead of cutthroat competition, well, maybe you can't. But again, with the proper information, you can switch to thinking it's impossible to thinking it's possible. So again, I'm celebrating George Reeves' life today, January the 5th, my first hero. And by the way, he wasn't just a hero for portraying Superman. He was a hero for portraying Clark Kent. That being the Daily Planet reported on crime. It reported on stories that needed to be told, not because they were keeping the wealthy happy, but actually in some cases they were taking the wealthy to task. There was an episode in which the number one crime figure in Metropolis actually turned out to be one of its leading business citizens. Imagine that. But they also reported on cures for a young girl who had lost her eyesight. So they showed that it was possible to restore the eyesight of someone who was previously unable to see. Just an amazing use in the show of journalism, not just of a superhero character. So again, This is the purpose of the Route 66 Spirit of America Museum. I invite you to go to its website. It's simply the name of the museum. It's www.route, spelled out R-O-U-T-E, 66, 2 6s, Spirit of America Museum.org. That's where you'll be able to read about the museum's history, about its plans. Some of the information is still going to be uploaded, but you can see coming soon. And I invite you to reach out through the website to ask how you can be involved. Again, there will be programs launching. And I really want you to know that we can have hope for the future. Despite what is coming our way in the divided world that is the news of politics, America is not just the political story. America is the story of its people, of its small towns, of its large towns, of people who have dreams. Oklahoma City, about an hour west of here, has some amazing plans and dreams, including being part of the 2026 Olympics. Even though Los Angeles will host a lot of the games, Oklahoma City is going to host some of the games as well. So there are wonderful things happening, including, of course, Route 66 itself turns 100 years old in 2026, the same year that America turns 250. So what an amazing double birthday we are all going to get to celebrate. And the museum is positioned to be part of that because it is part of the Oklahoma Route 66 Association, and it is part of the Oklahoma Museums Association. So again, I invite you to be in touch. I thank you for watching this. If you want to celebrate George Reeves, you can come here and make believe you are working for the Daily Planet, because you can sit at Clark Kent's desk. Thanks again for watching. Here's to a great 2025 for us all.